Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Factors of production. From principles of economics, land, labor, capital, organization are four factors of production in economics. This video includes the most important concepts of relevant chapter. This video is very helpful for the students for MCQ based and short question based papers. Factors of production are four, like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur, which are necessary for the production of goods and services. Land is not only a part of earth. In economics, land means all free gifts of nature which are helpful and useful for human being and can be used to produce goods and services. Rent is the reward or price which is paid for the use of land and other free gifts of nature. Land is the base for the residence, transport, agriculture, and industrial sector. It contains minerals and forests, etc., which are essential for economic development. Land is fixed in quantity and it is natural gift. It is immovable and has different utility. It has different facilities and fertility. Labor is an important factor of production that includes all human, economic, mental, and physical efforts applied to the production of goods and services. Wages or wage rate is the reward paid for the use of skills of labor. Mobility of labor refers to the movement of labor from one place to another, changing of profession, status, or grade. Mobility of labor means an alternate employment. Change in pay, facilities, better education, training, experience, modern means of transport and communication, and self respect increases the mobility of labor. Horizontal mobility of labor is movement of labor from one job to another job without change in reward, status, or salary. Vertical mobility of labor is the movement of worker from a junior position to a senior position or from a lower rank to upper rank. Efficiency of labor refers to the productive capacity, skills, experience, and efficiency of the labor which is used in production of goods and services. Capital means all resources of production which are created by people like building, tools, equipment, structures, and manufactured goods that we use to produce other goods and services. Interest is a fixed charge to use the borrowed money. It is a sum usually expressed as a rate or percentage paid by the use of capital. Wages and salaries are paid by capital. Capital is helpful to purchase raw material, modern technologies, and more industries. Organization is a factor of production which organizes the other three factors of production, that is land, labor, and capital. It earns profit or bears loss. Profit pi is equal to total revenue minus total cost. When the total revenue is less than total cost, it is called loss. There are four factors of production in economics: land, labor, capital, and organization. Reward of these factors is rent, wages, interest, and profit or loss. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.